Hi guys, here's what happens when you hammer a screwdriver through one of these glow bike thingamajigs. I've gotten this thing and it's been crap. It's just total crap. Do not buy it. I mean, I earned it off of some crappy Best Store thingamajig. But, yeah. Let's get into this. So, well, I'll somehow hold my phone like this. Just go see. Okay, it's off. Okay, here's the insides. Go take this off. See what it did. Oh, punctured right through the battery. One last time, it still works. I can't get it to stop. Broke it. See you guys in the next one.